Code Coach. Stairwells today. Big thing to look for is stairs. Okay, see here, everything in the stairwell has to be essential for the stairwell. This right here was a big issue that should never been in this issue, is this plumbing stack. It's not supposed to be in the stairwell. And this is why. When you get into your doors, the door in a fully open position is allowed to be maximum 7 inches, okay, when it's fully. And you see here, you're at 10 inches. So what that does is that actually restricts your landing and it restricts your clear width from your door being fully opened. So it's actually creating a bit of a restriction point. And again, the other part it is creating as a fire hazard where you can get things that are not, again, not essential to the stairwell, is I believe the verbiage in the code. So things to look for at plan review is making sure all components essential for the stairwell remain in the stairwell and nothing else.